This is Mike with Earned Wisdom. What time taught me, I'm getting my backyard graded for my sanctuary area backyard. The guys are doing a really great job. They just started. Then I can finish my irrigation and get my electrical put in. He's getting my sanctuary area behind my house more to grade level, so I can put in large 3 foot by 3 foot concrete steps, walkway pavers, I guess you'd call it. And then right where he's at is going to be a large 5 foot by 6 foot step down concrete pad. Slowly making progress here. The area around the house is a little higher than like down here. So what we're doing is kind of getting rid of some of this type 2 gravel that's up near the top. And like I said, it'll be a walkway on both sides of this concrete pad that you see the guy standing on, leading to a gate on each side. And then right over here, somewhere in the kind of down a little bit, there's going to be a large gazebo with pavers all the way around it. So kind of excited to get it a little graded out. He's doing a really good job. He's got a good eye. I'm watching how he knows how much gravel to dump in an area, how much to lightly spread. I think he's doing a pretty damn good job. That's his son with him. He's a really nice kid. I talked to him. His son's actually an electrician. So today is Saturday, so they're doing a little work on a Saturday. Okay, so the guy's finished. Here's the result. I know it's probably hard to tell for most of you guys. Here's where it's going to step down a little. I'm not expecting it to be perfectly level. I don't want that. I don't care about that. And the reason why is because I'm going to be putting right where I'm showing you now in the center, there's going to be about a 25 by 25 foot area of pavers, really nice pavers with poly sand. And then of course we'll put gravel to level that area out. So I don't need the whole area completely leveled, so I just need that area leveled. Then the surrounding area, the whole inner edge, the whole inner edge is going to have a winding planter bed around the whole interior of the fence. So that doesn't need to be completely level, because I'll just fill it with, I'll put a like an edging, and then what I'll do is I will fill it with some nice topsoil. And then the remainder of the open areas is going to have stabilized DG, which when you wet it and use a compactor, it stays in place pretty well. So that will even out any little low spots too. And then what else? Like right kind of where I'm showing you, right where that one riser standing up. That's going to be for a raised planter bed, and then kind of up from it a little bit is going to be a grill, and then a sink right where you see this trench right there running out. That's going to be the drain for the sink, and then in the very back will be a little pool back there, fountain in this straight ahead in the very back. So that's kind of what we got going on. So it's definitely better. I paid $250. It was well worth it. And as you can see, this, I don't know if you can see very well, let's try a different. He's gonna come back and he's gonna touch up so the concrete looks nicer, because there'll be a large another one of these concrete step down, and then, like I was telling you, big 3 foot by 3 foot stepping stones that he's going to form that'll lead to a gate. And then the same thing over here. It's going to be a winding 3 foot by 3 foot stepping stones, where there's going to be a gate kind of right over where I'm pointing, leading out. So I just need to finish the irrigation here. All right, thanks for joining me on a nice lovely Saturday. Right now it's beautiful here in Nevada. It's very nice right now. It's going to get up to about 110 maybe today, so the guys came early. They came at 6:30 in the morning. Anyways, please like, share, and subscribe. That's the end of our grading for today. Thank you so much. And anyways, I'd like to be touching on other subjects when I talk too. I plan on start talking about different things as I'm maybe doing my irrigation, talk about how I invest, some of my ideas about politics and things that are going on. I'll probably just start throwing some thoughts out there. Some people like it, some people won't. And, you know, I'm just going to throw out ideas mainly. And, you know, don't have to debate it or anything. Just kind of things I've learned and kind of things I'm, you know, thinking about as I've grown over 64 years of age now, and kind of how I see life now. All right, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate if more people would subscribe. I see a lot of people watching but not subscribing. Thanks so much. Have a great day. More to come.